2-part video series for Whiteboard Wednesdays all about my top successful recruitment secrets. I'm Sam Ashdown and this is another episode of Whiteboard Wednesdays. So in this one, part 1 of our successful recruitment secrets, I'm going to talk to you about the job title that you're using in order to recruit. We've got some job titles in our industry that are a little bit suspect. Negotiator, admin, manager, lots of assistant words. And I don't think that they're conducive to getting the right person to apply for the job. If you use words instead, like instead of our negotiators in our office, we have client executives because it actually feels like more like what that is. Or maybe a client account or something like that. But definitely something with client in, because actually that's the point of it. They're not really negotiators, a lot of them, are they? Viewing rep is another one that should be over here on the no. Office manager, bit more of a generic title. What you might want to think about is maybe team leader instead of office manager. We have an office manager and we're recruiting for a team leader. Sales and marketing. As soon as you put the word assistant after it, you're going to get a completely different level of people applying. So if you say assistant, you're going to get people with no experience whatsoever, possibly even people straight from school. So if that's not what you need, then you need to go up a level to either manager or executive. To me, an executive is somebody who can actually make executive decisions. So if they can, and it's an autonomous role, then call it an executive. But otherwise, it could be a manager. But don't put the word assistant in. And the other one that I actually haven't written down is PA. Maybe team PA, director PA. It's a bit more of a support role, but it's still somebody who's very actively engaged in the office. So think very carefully about your job title when you post your job or on Indeed or wherever you are posting it, to make sure that you're only going to attract people of the right level that you want for your agency. I'll see you in the Recruitment Secrets episode number 2. And if you'd like to subscribe to these videos, go to Facebook or YouTube, Marketing Magic for Estate Agents. See you there.